Hello students. In previous virtual class, we have learned that computers help us in our daily activities. Like you can draw pictures, play games, write letters, watch cartoons, listen to music and do calculations on the computer. And you have also learned about features of computer. That is, it does not make mistakes, it makes your work fast and easy, it never gets tired, it can remember a lot of things. Today we are going to learn about the uses of computers at different places. I request all of you to open page number 12 and observe these pictures. Computers are all over. Computers are used in many places. Let us look at some of the most familiar places here. Observe the first picture. It is library. Computers are used in libraries to keep information about books. In the library, computer will help you to make a list of books present in that library, the author name. These all information you can store in computer. Now observe the second picture, children. It is schools and colleges. Computers are used in schools and colleges also. How it is useful? In school, computers are used for teaching and to prepare report cards. Now, we teachers, we are using computer to teach you people, right? And teachers also use computers to make test papers, worksheets, timetable, and report cards. Computers also used in school for maintaining the record of students. How many students are there in the school? Their name, phone number, parents' name. This all information will be stored in school's computer. Now look at the third picture. Railways and airports. Computers are also useful in transportation. How it is useful? Computers are used in railway stations, bus stands, and airports to book tickets. Computer also provides information about train, bus, and flight timings. Now observe the fourth picture. It is hospitals. Computers are used in hospitals to keep information about patients and for monitoring health of patients. In the hospital, computer will be helpful to keep the information of the patient, means what illness he is suffering from, his name, age, his information will be stored in the computer. And doctors use computers to diagnose a patient's illness. Now observe the next picture, that is banks. Computers are used in banks to keep a record of the cash and to take out money. Bank is the place where your parents will keep their money safely. So, banks will be using computers to keep the record of the account holder. Computers helps in printing statements in a bank, and computers helps in taking out money from the ATM. With the help of ATM machine, you can take out money from the bank. Now next picture is homes. Computers are used at home for entertainment. We all use computer at home to watch movies, listen to music, and play games on it. And your parents will use the computer to work and do the online shopping. And sometimes if you find difficulty to understand the content of any topic, that time you will search the information about it on the internet with the help of computer. So computer is helpful at home also. Now look on page number 13. This is offices picture. In offices, computers are used to maintain record of the people and their work. In office, computer will help to keep the record of the people, those who are working there, and what work they are doing. About this information will be stored in the office. And the people, those who are working in that office, uses the computer to send and receive mails related to their work. And officers use computers to type and print project reports. Look at the next picture. It is malls and shops. In malls and shops, computer is used for making bills. Any item you purchase from the shop, the billing of that item will be done on the computer. And shopkeeper will use the computer to keep the list of items which are present in his shop, and he can also store the prices of those items in the computer. Now look in the oval shape what they have written. Kids, did you know though it is a magic machine, a computer cannot work on its own. It needs a person to work on it, who is then called the user. You know, children, computer is a magic machine, but it can't think by its own. We have to give the instruction to work. We are the one who is going to give the instruction to the computer. So the person who is working on the computer is called as user. Computer cannot think by its own. We, the person who is using the computer, makes the computer work. Okay. Now look, a computer typically has a TV like screen called the monitor. If you look at the computer, you can see one part of it will be similar to TV. TV screen. It is called as monitor. It is also has a keyboard to type. Computer is having keyboard. With the help of it, we can type the information. A mouse to use the computer, and a box called the CPU. Computer has mouse also to use, and one box which will be present next to the monitor. It is called as CPU. These all are the parts of computer. We can study about these in later chapter. About these parts we will learn in the next chapter, children. Now look at the glossary. First is DATA, data. Data means information. The second word is electronic. 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 Electronic means work done by electrical power. We have already learned 10 keywords from this lesson. These are the leftover 10 keywords that we are going to learn today. 11th one is library. 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 The place where we keep books. 12th one, railway station. RAILWAY. Railway. station, station, railway station, where the trains will come and go. 13th one is airport. 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 Airport is the place where aeroplanes take off, from where the aeroplanes will take off and land. 14th one is hospital. 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 Hospital is the place where the sick people will be treated. Office. 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 Office, the place where people will work. 16th one is college. 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 17th one is malls. 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 18th one is user. 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 The people who is working on the computer is called as user. 19th one is bank. 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 Bank is the place where we keep our money safely. 20th one is typically. 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 Typically means normally. You have to write these keywords in your classwork 2 times and memorize it, children. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.